So the big thing you're doing today is BrainPop. Go through your student portal, sign in, click on Ecosystems assignment, and make sure you are taking the quiz. All right, regular students, 70 or above on the quiz, and you can get full credit. Advanced accelerated students, 80% or above on the quiz to get full credit. When it comes to the BrainPop, if you do not get a 70 or whatever your cutoff is, what you have to do, you have to go back and find the video, watch the video again, take the video, quiz, whatever one you want, and hit send to teacher. All right, and then you pick me, and then it pops up with your renewed grade. All right, so that's what you're going to be working on today if you do take the BrainPop. The BrainPop is your bell work. All right, you do not have to log on to the Q&A session unless you want to. All right, there will be an optional Q&A session at the last 30 minutes of your period that you can click on and sign and join in and talk if you have any questions. All right, the nickname for the meet is STREEDPER and then your period number. The next big thing we're talking about is levels of organization here. So the biggest one is biosphere. That's all parts of Earth that have living things on it. So basically the crust and everything on it, up until where the highest microbe is in the atmosphere, down to the lowest level of the ocean where stuff lives. All right, then you have ecosystems. Ecosystems would be an area that you say all things, all things, biotic, abiotic things that are living in that area. That includes somewhere like the Everglades. Then a community would be all the living things in the area, like the ants in your house, that are the bugs outside, the grass, the tree on your property. That's all part of the community with you. It's a little different than community with people, because when we think about community with people, we think of all the people in our community. But community in an ecological sense is all living things in an area, including the plants, bugs, bacteria, things like that. Then you have population. Population would be like just, you said, population of people in Wellington, the number of people in Wellington, and population of dogs in Wellington. All right, it's just based on the number of a single species in an area. So then finally you have organisms. Organisms are just, like I said, the one thing. All right, so that's the level. So organisms are in population, populations are in a community, communities are in ecosystems, and all the ecosystems are in the biosphere. Here's a couple examples of the levels of organization. You have the biosphere, Earth's crust, Florida Everglades, alligators, plants, alligators, and then one single alligator, right? So there you go. So tomorrow there will be no Q&A session. I'm still expecting you guys to work. There will still be bell work and a quick video to explain what's going on. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I'll be happy to answer them.